Now let's jump to your site. So we've got Buzz Social Green Bay. Got your logo, bowling, burgers, and bar. Love it. Tells people exactly what it is. And I love alliteration, as you can tell, bigger, better biz. So perfect. Grand opening celebration, November 19th, 6 to 10. All are invited. So if people are coming to this page, what are we telling them to do?
Show up on November 19th.
Okay. But how do we know that they're going to remember that? I'm not going to remember what's happening in 2 hours, let alone what's happening in 3 weeks, right? So again, this is where I would say use a tool like a Constant Contact or something else. Pop a form in there, a button where people can enter into a drawing to win something that you're going to be presenting to them at the grand opening. Add some fanfare. So if people are coming here and knowing Jay, I'm sure he's going around screaming from the rooftops that we're opening and everybody in Green Bay knows Jay Nephew from Buzz Social, then what we want to do is when they come here, we need to give them something, a micro commitment to make. So that would be joining the mailing list or follow us on Facebook. If that's what you're going to do too, do both, right?
Yeah, do both for sure.
If you can get them on your mailing list, the reason why I harp on is one, because it's like our lifeblood of what we do and we've seen really good results. But two, if you get them in the email, you can send a welcome email. So now you can say, hey, thanks so much for connecting and joining the Buzz Social family. Hey, stay informed. We have special deals, promos, even exclusive events that we showcase on Facebook. Follow us on Facebook. Then when this comes, when the grand opening is coming, now what we're going to do is we've got Halloween, then we have, a little lull. So you're going to send a, hey, reminder in 2 weeks or in a week and a half, 10 days, we're going to have the grand opening. Are you coming? Great. Then 3 days before, you're going to send a reminder. And then the day of, you're going to send a reminder. Because right now, when you're opening in the thick of holiday season, so you're competing with tons of retailers that are trying to vie for that attention, overstimuli. So in this case, if we can get the email and just remind them, kind of be that nagging grandmother that keeps telling them, come on, come on, come on, in a fun way. Hey, here's what you can expect. Here's a photo of our center. Hey, here's some fun things we're going to do. Did you join the raffle yet? Or did you enter into our drawing so that you can have a chance to win? We're going to have a grand prize winner, first place, a few second places, whatever. Right. And especially if you're give away gift cards so that they have to come back and spend it.
Love it. Love it. Yeah, we could have a $500 gift card as a grand prize. That would drive people in here like crazy.
There you go.
Private party.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Private party is awesome. I'll tell you, we did that. My wife and I started a nonprofit. She's Cape Verdean. So it's an archipelago of islands off the west coast of Africa. The island that she came from has an active volcano. It erupted in 2014. We created a nonprofit and we ultimately had a red carpet gala at a giant function hall. One thing that function hall was really smart. They said, we want to add something into your raffle, your silent auction. They threw in a party. It was huge. People were signing up. They brought 10 people. Now you got drinks and everything else is perfect. So for those of you watching at home, if there's any way that you can get people to come back into the business, that's what you want to be giving away right now because everyone's looking for a freebie during the holidays. So we've got that. We're going to add in something so that they can do a micro commitment. They can engage with our brand. We've got this information right here, Buzz Social. We've got the map. Cool. And you have the address, which this is actually best practice. So when you're showing any business that has a physical location, you've got the map showing up and you have the address down below that helps Google know that you are that business, which is great. Of course, we don't have the business profile up and verified yet. That's why you just have a map marker, which is fine. What you can do is once you get the business actually on the map and it's showing Buzz Social, that's where I would replace this map and make sure you have your Google business profile with a pin showing up.
Now it's going to draw them back to look at all of our pictures and maybe write a review. Got it.
There you go.